Hello everyone on the internet and welcome back to another video on my channel. As you can see here, I'm doing a little cutscene or panorama or whatever it's called around these two command blocks, which are actually making it happen. No mods or any video tricks, all with these two command blocks, and you can put them in your worlds or custom maps. Now, it's two very simple commands, but they might need some tweaking depending on how far away you want your cutscene to be. As you can see with how they are now, if I want my cutscene to be from all the way back here, you see it won't work perfectly. You see, I'm not doing a cutscene around the command blocks now, but instead kind of around myself. So anyway, how it works is it uses the new the new type of relative coordinates, these things, and basically if you teleport yourself to these things, and then you can specify rotation with tildes. And then if you put a 1 here and a 1 here, you see it teleports you 1 block this way and makes you look not 1 block, but makes you look 1 thing this way. Don't know how to explain it really. Makes you look something this way. I don't really know how to explain it. But also, if you haven't noticed already here, we're back at the Nether Fortress. The Nether Fortress won the poll a couple videos ago. And so, we're back, doing it back at the Nether Fortress. It's the same Nether Fortress. Not just any Nether Fortress, it's the exact same Nether Fortress as the Command Block Tidbits video. And by the way, if you want to watch that video, link will be in the iCards in the top right corner. So, anyway, let's get on with the tutorial. So first, what you want to do is have a repeating command. Actually, first what you have to do is do /scoreboard. Objectives. Add timer. And then dummy. That would make it a dummy objective, so it won't increment unless incremented with commands. Of course, I've already created it, and I just made a set display so for the tutorial. And then in a repeating command block that is set to always active and unconditional, you have to do /scoreboard. Well, not slash, but scoreboard players remove at a square bracket scores. This is testing for scores is equal to. I said curly brackets inside timer, the scoreboard objective we just made, is equal to 1 ... Now these are here because if you put ... next to a number in entity selectors, this is what this is, an entity selector. If you put ... after a number, that means or more. If you put ... before a number, it means or less. So timer is, if scores are equal to timer being equal to 1 or less, more, is equal to being 1 or more, then it will set your timer score. It will add 1. actually will remove one from your timer score. So if and then only if this command block is successful to remove something from your timer score, remove from your timer score, then this command block will execute as at A, and so forcing all players to run at S, and then running TP at S, this thing 0.25, this thing, and then tilde 1.5, and here. So now what that's gonna do is it's going to run that command every time a timer score is greater than 0. So if we see here slash scoreboard, to activate the cutscene, you have to do slash scoreboard players set timer. No, set at S timer, or you can do at P or at A if it's in a command block, or if it's just running it, you can do at S timer, and then oh, sorry for that. And then if we do a number, say, and this is how many ticks you want your duration to be. Please note that a tick is a 20th of a second, meaning 20 ticks makes a second. So just keep that in mind when you're setting a time. I'm going to do a timer for 200, which is 10 seconds. And boom, it's working already. Get into the right position. And so, as you can see, you'll have to tweak it. You'll have to tweak these numbers over here and here if you're to match what type of cutscene you're going to do. Whether a really zoomed out cutscene or a really zoomed in cutscene. You'll need to tweak some stuff so that can actually be possible. But, well, in your map at least. But anyway, that's going to be all for this video. If you did enjoy, like. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe. And turn on notifications to be the first person to be notified of my videos. And also, I just wanted to let you know that I follow a weekly schedule now. So, you want to see, if you like content like this, come back every Friday. I'll try to get a video out every single Friday. But, well, anyways, with that said, goodbye.